Music. Welcome to my Clearfly Communications review. Find links to their plans and services below. Today, we'll dive deep into Clearfly, exploring their key features, target audience, and my personal experience. Is Clearfly right for you? Let's find out. Clearfly Communications delivers reliable, high-performance internet solutions tailored for businesses. They specialize in business-class internet, VoIP, and unified communications. If your business needs dependable, scalable connectivity, Clearfly might be the answer. They ensure a reliable infrastructure for customer communications, remote work, and online transactions. A key feature is their fully managed VoIP, seamlessly integrated with their internet plans for crystal clear call quality and robust reliability. Clearfly prioritizes network security and redundancy, minimizing downtime and ensuring smooth operation. Scalability is also key, allowing your business to adapt to growth and changing needs. My experience with Clearfly was excellent. Their internet connection was stable and consistent, even during peak hours, with minimal downtime. Their VoIP service delivered impressive call quality with no noticeable delays or dropped calls. Onboarding was smooth, with professional and efficient support from their technical team. However, Clearfly focuses primarily on businesses, not residential customers. Their pricing and packages may not suit individuals or households. Availability may also be limited depending on your location. Overall, Clearfly is a robust solution for businesses needing reliable internet and communication services. Their focus on performance, scalability, and security makes them an excellent choice for professional environments. Check the description for links to explore their plans and see if Clearfly meets your needs. Thanks for watching.